Hello everyone, welcome to Kiran's Commerce Tutorials. In this session, we will be studying about funds flow statement. So let us start with the introduction part. The profit and loss account and balance sheets are the two basic financial statements which shows the operational results and financial position of a business for a particular period. But these two statements are fails to provide information regarding changes in assets and liabilities and owner's equity. In order to show such changes in financial position, a funds flow statement is get prepared. Let us understand the meaning of fund. The term fund in narrow sense refers to cash only, but in broader sense it refers to all financial resources of the firm. Therefore, the term fund means ability of meeting operating and mandatory expenses. Okay, so next we will study about funds flow concept. The study of funds flow statement is very significant for continuous and smooth running of business. Fund flow includes major two concepts. One is inflow and another one is outflow. Inflow means any kind of cash comes into the business irrespective of nature. Nature may be receipts or revenues. Then outflow. Any cash goes out of the firm like purchases, meeting cash expenses and other payments. Next, let us study the meaning of fund flow. Fund flow is a study of funds where gone and where got. That is, study of sources and application of funds. Sources of funds may be issue of shares and debentures, sale of asset, long-term loans, decreasing in working capital, and funds from operations, etc. Whereas application of funds may be redemption of shares and debentures, purchase of fixed assets, repayment of long-term loans, increasing in working capital, and dividend and tax payment. Next, let us study about preparation of fund flow statement. The fund flow statement is a statement of sources and application of funds. It is generally prepared in a summary form to indicate the changes occurring in terms of financial condition between two different balance sheet dates. So in order to prepare fund flow statements, we are following the four major steps. The first step is to preparation of schedule or statement of changes in working capital. Here we are going to record all the current assets and current liabilities in order to get increase or decreasing in the working capital. And second step is to preparation of fixed assets account. That is computation of any missing figures such as profit or loss on sale of fixed assets, purchase or sale of fixed assets, and amount of depreciation on fixed assets, etc. In the third step, so we are going to ascertain the funds from the operations. That is, funds from operations refers to the profit made by the firm from its trading activities. In the last step, we are going to prepare the fund flow statement. That is, sources and applications of funds. Next, we will see the formats which are using while calculating the fund flow statements. Format number 1. Statement or schedule of changes in working capital. Here we are going to record all the current assets and current liabilities in order to find increase or decreasing in the working capital. Here we are having three main columns. First column is with the name of particulars. Here we are going to record all current assets and current liabilities. In the second column, we are going to record the actual figures of the previous year and current year. In the third column, we are going to record the changes in working capital. Please note one important thing. If current assets are increases and current liabilities are decreases, it is nothing but increasing in the working capital. If current assets are decreases and current liabilities are increases, it is nothing but decreasing in the working capital. Then we are going for a format number 2. That is statement showing funds from operations or adjusted profit and loss account. You can use any one of the formats in order to calculate this funds from operations or funds lost in operations. And it is starting with a net profit after taxes for the year. Then you are going to adding the non-operating expenses and deducting non-operating incomes in order to get funds from operations. Next, format number 3. In this format, we are going to record the sources of funds on the one side and application of funds on the other side. You can use any one of the formats, that is statement wise or ledger wise. Okay, so this is about the conceptual background of a funds flow statement. Go through this. Okay, thank you.